Hey guys, thank you for being here. Today we're gonna do a walk around on my 25 GR Corolla Premium Plus. I own this car for about 8 months, put over 8,000 miles on it. It's not my daily, and I did so far just one track event on it. At this point I think I have a little bit of background to give you my personal experience with this vehicle. I also owned before a 23 Circuit Edition, so this is my second year. So now, without any further ado, okay, so let's start with the huge grille that this car has. It's equipped with parking sensors. Okay, and now we have this aggressive bumper, and definitely what Toyota wants is more air going into the engine, and also for aerodynamic purposes. We're gonna dive into these ducts so you guys can see what exactly is the function of them. If we need to tow this car, we just pretty much like pull this part right here, and this is the area to put the tow hitch. So what do we have? We have an air intake that goes from here all the way through here. This is not to cooling the brakes. This is pretty much for aerodynamics, to keep the car steady. Same thing for this side grille. It helps with the downforce as well and keep the car more into the ground. I have this GR electromagnetic tape that also helps with the current of the car, and inside there's another electromagnetic tape around this area as well. This is just to give you more stability on the vehicle. Okay, what about cooling the engine? We have an intercooler. We have the main radiator right there on the back, and also we have a second radiator on the right side of the car. And the vents are located right here. You can have a glimpse of the air intake. I'm going to show you how I did that connection over there. Now we have this massive bulkhead that, for me, pretty much give the attitude and the character to the car. And we have these functional air vents as well. Okay, so coming from the side, we have the GR electromagnetic tape. I painted this side vent. It comes with 18-inch wheels with a Michelin Pilot Sport. The huge brake kit, it comes just like that with the GR letters on it. I have this GR buff on this one as well, and I placed the Circuit Edition 24 year. It comes with this type of stickers. I placed an aftermarket GR4 stickers and another electromagnetic tape for the back. We have the forged carbon fiber roof, a little tiny spoiler from the back, pretty much same as your regular hatchback, but you can see the size of the bumper as well, and the 3 exhaust signature. It's coming from the back. We have our huge, massive bumper. It goes with the fenders as well. Trunk space is very limited. We have the battery right here in the back, and there's no spare tire. Under the hood we have a 1.6 liter 3-cylinder turbo, which makes 300 horsepower, and their torque is 295. The only thing so far I did on the engine was to get the GR air intake, and I did also a little 3D print piece to have the connection. I'm going to show you how it looks. So on the original design, I don't know why, but there is no connection between the air intake and the dock right here. So I made this 3D printing piece. Recently added the door seals. So now we go into interior. It comes with this headed brim knob and synthetic leather trim front seats with the GR headrest, as you guys can see, and red stitching all the way. So we have, you can heat up the seats. Same for the steering wheel as well. And it comes with this nice leather as well, red stitching on it, with the GR sign. And it's a manual, it's a 6-speed. I switched the shift knob for the Morizo, that's the one that comes on the Circuit Edition. The IMT now comes on this area around the center, so it's easy for you to remember. There's a cell phone charger right there, and this is how we manage to get the traction on the vehicle. So you want to go gravel, normal, and track, so you have those 3 options. All the stitching all the way around, and I put this little cover, which it doesn't come with them. I think it's for weight reasons, but I just added from a regular, or part from a regular hatchback. Now let's hear it for a cold start. This is how we get started. For the first couple of minutes, you have to avoid, it says right here, any excessive acceleration, and it takes like around 3 to 5 minutes. That's pretty much it. Another thing that you guys are gonna notice, there's no armrest. Supposedly this is for you to get better access to the stick shift. If this is gonna be your daily driver and you do long commute, I think the armrest will be a plus for you. On my case, I definitely don't need it. So let's take this car for a spin. We have different types of drives or settings for driving. On Eco, and the cluster change if I'm going to sport, for example. You can do normal, and you can also customize how you want to do your driving. And also this car comes equipped with the head-on display. You guys can see it over there. Now we're gonna put this car into drive, into sport mode. Let's go. So the feeling on this car is aggressive. It reacts pretty fast. Shifting is easy to do. Here I go from 4th to 5th, and you can rev up the car to up to 7,000 RPM and touching the rail at 8,000. It's connected to Apple CarPlay, but this is the same like any regular Corolla. Well guys, for today this is my review of my GR Corolla Premium Plus,
I hope you guys like it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And please, if you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much.